We here at RWJBarnabas Health have made women's health a priority. We are able to provide them everything that they need, whether it's clinical care, whether it's wraparound supportive services, or it's connecting them with one of our partners. They'll never have to go anywhere else besides RWJBarnabas Health. We will not only be setting the benchmark for women's health here in New Jersey, but across the country.
I'm Sienna Branch. 5 years ago, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. We went to my pediatrician first, and she came in and she says, "This is how it's gonna go. I called the hospital. We're pretty sure you have type 1 diabetes, so go home and pack because you'll probably be there for a couple days."
We were running to the hospital, I'm thinking for a diagnosis, but really because she could be an organ failure. She could be dying. And I didn't know. And, oh geez, I just started to cry. It was really, really stressful.
Kind of felt like my world was crashing down around me because I was 12 years old.
They're so amazing at that hospital. Having consistent people with great knowledge always be that phone call for you, it takes some of the stress out of a very stressful situation.
We found out that I was expecting. It was a big surprise. At the time, I was high risk due to my age. I had to go for my weekly visit. The doctor, he started talking to me about placenta accreta. It was my first time hearing about it, not familiar with it. There was just so many different factors due to the risk for both my life and the baby's life. I did trust the doctors, and I knew that they had my best interest and the baby's best interest in mind. If I ever was in the office, with them and I would cry, they were always there to comfort me. It's a lot, but I'm very grateful for that because I needed that support and I needed that comfort. When I woke up, the first thing I asked for was, "How was the baby?" And they told me that she was fine. These women were there around the clock taking care of my little girl. If you have a high-risk pregnancy and you are scared, you can be confident that you're coming here.
A year ago, I was diagnosed with triple-positive breast cancer. It shook me. I was scared. I was lost. What does that mean to my family and to my wife? I had my double mastectomy. They were amazing there. They made me feel like I was going to a second home. I think about them with so much joy and gratitude. It is such a beautiful feeling, and I wish that every single cancer patient that has to go through what I was going through would have that same level of joy. I could not think of cancer and joy in the same breath, but it actually is possible. Look at me now.
Life keeps going, and you could let things hold you back and stop you, or you can let things push you forward and motivate you to keep going.
If you're coming here, you're in great hands. You're coming to family. They're gonna take care of you.
I'm very grateful to Robert Wood Johnson Barnabas Health because I feel like I'm coming alive again.
We are committed to creating a seamless healthcare journey for women from adolescence through every stage so women can live their very best lives.